Manchester is the centre of a new revolution, and it's called graphene. And it was isolated here in the physics department at the University of Manchester. It's so extraordinary that in 2010, the scientists who made it were awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics. These geniuses did what no one had done before and isolated graphene, creating the first ever man-made material in 2 dimensions. Graphene has almost limitless potential. It's so light and so thin, but it's strong and it's dynamic. The visions, the predictions of sci-fi writers and tech gurus are finally within our grasp. It is a carbon sheet, 1 atom thick, but 200 times stronger than steel. It's the lightest, most conductive man-made material on Earth. It's almost completely impermeable. It could be fundamental to the storage and transport of fuels of the future. It stretches, it twists, it rolls to create bendable devices, not just touchscreens, but flexible, transparent components. Graphene devices will be able to carry electricity more efficiently. It's not so much a question of where do we start. It's more about where do we go next?
Through a unique process of synthesis and addition of its nanometric structures, we create compact graphene with multiple possibilities. Compact graphene is unique due to the combination of stability and versatility. Its properties do not change over time, even in the most extreme conditions. It is flame retardant, super hydrophobic, and stops microorganisms from spreading. Initially in a liquid state, the new compound acquires its solid form through an advanced plasmation molding process. Black in color, with a warm mineral texture, Graphenglass is a sustainable material and 100% recyclable. The first application of Graphenglass focuses on state-of-the-art architecture. A modular solution that recovers latticework to meet the need to improve energy efficiency and sustainability of buildings. At the same time, it enables greater freedom in design through organic and volumetric forms. Its function is for solar protection of buildings and as a space divider. However, it can also leave a stamp of personality through the attributes of compact graphene. Graphenglass provides a new language for architecture to expand its horizons.